Hi friends, today I am going to talk about the most hot research area of image processing, how emotion detection works. And in the later part of this section, I'll show you the implementation of emotion detection algorithm in MATLAB and how you would be able to run the implementation over the MATLAB platform. So here we go. This is the default version of MATLAB. This is we call command window. This is something we call workspace. This is current where all your code is being put. Okay, these are the source code of emotions detector. I'm going to show you some images of a person. This type of face, these are the various expressions showing by a woman face. Correspondingly, these expression so this is our main code created yesterday. Overall implementation representation is being done using graphical user interface. A database is being put at T directory, and these are the various expression is being put here, like anxiety, disgust, fear, happiness, and neutral. This is the main program for creating the database, and all the database is being written in file lbp.csv. Here for feature extraction we are using local binary pattern features, which is quite famous. So now I'm going to show you how you would be able to implement the system type. Initially it will ask you to give the input image. You need to select one of the expression image. Then you will start with training the database, and here you will select the database which is being put in sample folder. Now the training is being performed here, and later on find the emotion of the face, and as you can see it is exactly being detected. The face is neutral and the percentage of accuracy is 66.1359. This is an implementation of emotion detection. I'm going to show you another implementation over another image. Quit. I'll again run the program. Again take an input image like this one. Now I again training the database, and database is being put in sample folder. Find emotion, and as you can see, this phase is showing the annexity of the person, and going the you get the accuracy 61.47%. So now I'm again going to show you the code, how it works. This is the graphical user interface representation. You can get uh, the information of graphical user interface over my video, how to create GUI in MATLAB. Here, this is the line for importing the image, and the code is being written in push button 1. Whenever you click the push button 1, these part of code will execute. Imread is the command for reading the image, and show for showing the image as it is. As here we have written access handles dot access 1, there it means image is being stored at access 1. Then you move to the second push button where dataset is being trained. Create dataset base. Here you will extract the LBP feature, and in the later part of the program, support vector machine is being implemented for training the dataset. I finally run the program again. Let's suppose this is the input image. I again train the database. Find emotion, and this face is showing disgust emotion and is being recognized 76%.